Bullish mirror convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 62 cents and $1.36 by 2030. Market experts accept mirror could reach 62 cents by 2025. Bearish mirror convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 11 cents. Reflect convention presentation. With regards to battling opportunity imbalance in the monetary space, mirror convention is an imaginative and possibly progressive venture that could open a universe of chance. In the event that you're keen on finding out about the cost of mirror convention, look no further. In this video, we have summed up our itemized mirror convention cost expectations, from mirror convention value today to least cost, normal cost, greatest cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is mirror convention a wise speculation for what's in store? How about we find out? What is mirror convention? Reflect convention is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain convention worked by Terraform Labs. The task was made with the expect to give more current ways of getting to fund and exchanging choices and tackle the developing imbalance issue, the cryptographic money market. The convention empowers the making of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The convention engages brokers to exchange values any place, whenever, every minute of every day. It can do this by printing manufactured resources, likewise called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are controlled by brilliant agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to reflect the value conduct of the hidden genuine resources they address, permitting merchants to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry a plenty of benefits to the mirror convention organization. They dispose of the requirement for delegate techniques and give worldwide openness to any individual who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether brokers own the basic resource, mirror assists them with taking part in cost hypothesis or direct venture with next to no limitation. The mirror token. The local badge of the mirror convention stage is called mirror. It is the administration token and is likewise used to remunerate liquidity suppliers and for marking. The token was intended to be genuinely disseminated. Importance: there have never been any financial backer or pre-deal mirror coins. Mirror tokens are compensated to financial backers who assist with keeping up with the steadiness of land and are gotten from exchanging charges and the cash paid for making surveys or shutting positions on M-assets. There is a most extreme stock of 370,575,000 mirror tokens delivered more than 4 years. Reflect convention specialized investigation. While the operations of this thrilling DeFi project are surely complicated, Mirror Conventions Group has figured out how to make a stage that is certainly worth the difficult work. The engineered resources Mirror offers are really strong, and the whole environment is built for huge development, having gotten the eyes of significant financial backers in the cryptographic money market. Dealers in the present crypto market who have little confidence in Money Road and significant foundations in our monetary framework can track down a superb option in Mirror Convention. As the stage fills from here on out, the scope of resources accessible will likewise increment. And almost certainly, the cost of mirror convention could arrive at an unsurpassed high soon. For brokers hoping to make a speculation, the mirror coin is an important token to look out for from now on. Reflect convention is presently worth 13 cents USD. Mirror has moved 3.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $42,849,405. Reflect convention is presently positioned 669 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,695,882 USD. Reflect convention value forecast 2023. In 2023, mirror convention mirror cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of mirror will before long outperform 34 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the mirror's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, mirror will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 27 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 30 cents. Reflect convention value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 48 cents and mirror might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mirror is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 44 cents and a low of 41 cents in 2024. Reflect convention value expectation 2025. Assuming that mirror convention effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the mirror coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, mirror will be green in 2025. The mirror is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 62 cents, with a base cost of 55 cents and a typical cost of 58 cents. Reflect Convention Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the mere cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 72 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 69 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, mere has a most extreme value worth of 76 cents. Reflect Convention Value Expectation 2027, because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 86 cents. In the event that mere figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 90 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help mere needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 83 cents. Reflect Convention Value Forecast 2028. While mere is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 97 cents and a yearly cost close above $1.04 in 2028. Reflect Convention Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Mirror Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.11 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.18, averaging out at $1.14. In general, Mirror Convention is an exploring stage, opening up new open doors for its clients while likewise tending to the key imbalance issue in monetary open doors. The stage permits people in less mechanically evolved locales to access and benefit off monetary resources that have for some time been restricted to a favored minority. By and large, the stage is a creative and genuinely necessary task, filling a few significant holes in the crypto scene. In any case, it is vital to recollect that the stage has specific limitations. While financial backers can claim the reproduction of a manufactured resource, they can't hold investor privileges and don't have responsibility for basic resource. The cost of Mirror Convention is likewise dependent upon many changes and open to the instability of the crypto market. This video isn't planned to be speculation counsel. Keep in mind, all crypto speculations convey chance, and you should contact an outsider monetary guide or lead your own exploration before you purchase Mirror Convention. What is the Mirror Convention cost today? Today, Mirror Convention is exchanging at 13 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $10,695,882. Is Mirror Convention a wise speculation? Reflect Convention ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that Mirror is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Mirror Convention go? The typical cost of Mirror Convention might perhaps reach 19 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Mirror Convention might outperform 90 cents. What amount will Mirror Convention be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising ubiquity of digital money and Mirror Convention, a drawn-out interest in Mirror could see the value ascend to 90 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Mirror Convention be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Mirror Convention today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Mirror might actually ascend to $1.63 inside the following 10 years. What will the Mirror Convention